pani sari sari mani sari sada sada pada pama sa.
Hello everyone, Andarki Namaskaram. I'm Tane from Team Rhythms. This feels surreal to host an event on such a magnitude. We Team Rhythms always wanted to organize an event which can showcase the singing talent of this institution. So, on the occasion of the Silver Jubilee celebrations of our prestigious college, Gokaraju Rangaraju Institute of Engineering and Technology, we announced the inception of Samagana. So what is Samagana, you might ask? Samagana is GRIT's first musical reality show. This platform is an amalgamation of talents. The singers for this event hail from different backgrounds, but are united by their sheer passion to sing. Before we start off with the event, I would like to thank all the faculty members, administration, and the support staff for their constant love and support towards the event. This event would not be possible without the constant guidance from our beloved principal, Dr. J. Praveen sir, Dr. Jhandyala N. Murthy sir, Director GRIT, and of course, our Dean of Student Affairs, Dr. M. Sridhar sir. Now, I would like to invite the Director, Principal, and the DSA onto the stage to perform the light lamping ceremonies. Welcome, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for coming for the event. Could you please speak a few words about the first season of Samagana?
GRIT, Gokaraju Rangaraju Institute of Engineering and Technology, established in 1997, soon has notched a place in the field of engineering education. When you say education, we believe in training the young minds in all the faculties of mind, body, and intellect, for which the curricula, the co-curricular activities, and the extracurricular activities are so shaped in this college to see that the students graduate with the right kind of attitude, skills, and knowledge and be useful to the society. Part of the activities involve many student bodies. Out of that, the most interesting and the most likable group is called the Rhythms. Rhythms looks after the faculty of music and dance. As part of the Silver Jubilee celebrations of GRIT, Rhythms has initiated a flagship event called Samagana. And today, it's the initiation of this most exciting event, most sought after event called Samagana. It focuses on the thought, sound, and music. As you say, thought is the basis for all our actions, actions to habits, habits to our character. And the character is going to change the destiny of all of us. So the thought focusing on the sound and music being the theme of Samagana, I wish all the organizers, the participants, to have a healthy participation with competitive spirit, not only glorifying the field of music, but also enlighten your minds in such a way you bloom out as great individuals for this society. All the best for Samagana. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now, our principal, sir, Dr. J. Praveen, sir, will speak a few words about Samagana.
Thank you. So I'm very happy that this year is a Silver Jubilee year for Gokaraju Rangaraju Institute of Engineering and Technology. So through this Rhythms actually, so the Rhythms is a student team associated with art, dance, and music. So we are celebrating all our activities through Rhythms student body, and Samagana is the flagship event of this Silver Jubilee celebrations. So through this, we can test students' ability with respect to art, dance, and music. through these competitions. And GRIT over these 25 years, so celebrating engineering excellence through these multiple events, and the most attractive events generally among students shall be arts, dance and music. So I wish all the best through this. You should get good name for our Jubilee, Silver Jubilee celebrations. Thanks for giving me this opportunity. All the best.
Thank you so much, sir, for commencing the event of Samagana. Now, it is time to invite the jury of Samagana Season 1. Ms. Maunya is a notable alumni of GRIT. She has set an example to all the students by maintaining a good balance between academics and cultural events. She is also an amazing singing talent and has performed at numerous occasions. Ms. Maunya is currently ventured into dubbing and playback singing. Mr. Srivardhan is an exemplary alumni of GRIT. Working with him on numerous occasions made me realize the importance of discipline. Mr. Vardhan is currently a full-time music director and is working on various feature films. So we are very honored to have you guys as judges for our event. Can you please speak a few words about Samagana?
Thank you, Tanay, for the kind introduction. Hello, everyone. I'm really glad to be a part of this event. I'm looking forward for all your performances. So all the very best, guys. Thank you.
Hello everyone. I'm really happy to be a part of this show and I'm hoping to find some good talent here. All the best to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. We're really honored to have you guys as judges for our event. Thank you. This is the moment everyone has been waiting for. Here are the final selects for Samagana Season 1. Starting off with, we have Jayant from CSC, Madhurya from CSBS, Ajit from CSDS, Sagarika from CSC, Deepesh from CSC, Meghana from CSC, Ronald from IT, Jhannavi from IT, Gulshan from IT, and presenting the final select for Samagana Season 1, Priya from CSC. We congratulate all the final selects for Samagana Season 1. We hope you guys come up with amazing performances. You guys will be witnessing their amazing performances in the next episode. This is Samagana Season 1, organized by Team Rhythms, and I'm your host Tanay Mehta, signing off. See you guys in the next episode. Thank you.
Da